If you're getting less than 100 views on the videos you drop on your channel, that might be because you're uploading your videos in the wrong way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your videos in the right way to get more views. I understand what you go through when you see views like this. Because before you publish a video, you've gone through searching for that topic, scripting it out, recording, editing, and then you publish and see views like this. It is very discouraging. But if you implement the strategy I'm going to show you today on how you can upload your videos, you would see a drastic change in the amount of views and engagement you get on your channel. See, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to click on that like and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell, because on this channel we talk about different strategies that you can implement on your channel to grow. I mean, this channel is made up of content creators who are thriving to get to their monetization in at least 4 weeks and start earning $500 every month. If you're interested in joining this community, go right now to the comment section and drop a comment related to this video, and also telling us what you do on your channel. When you're done commenting, watch this video till the end and implement this strategy. Now come back to the comment section and connect with every content creator you see right there. And this is how you have to connect. Go to their channels and watch at least 3 of their videos till the end. If the video is 10 minutes, watch till the end. If it is 1 minute, watch till the end. When you're done watching, comment, and your comments should be related to the video. When you're done commenting on all the 3, like all the 3, and also subscribe to that channel. When you do that, this content creator is also going to do the same for you. So if you see 10 content creators, connect with them all. If you see 1,000, connect with them all. When you do that, you will get that same amount of subscribers, and your watch hours would have multiplied times the amount of people you've connected with. Now, besides doing this, you can also join the channels you've seen. The links are below there on the comment section. Join the WhatsApp channel, the Telegram channel, and the Instagram channel. These channels are also made up of content creators who are hungry and aggressive to grow. Connect with them, and they all will connect with you. Now go to other videos you see on this channel and also connect with them. This is how you will grow as fast as possible. Now that being said, let's get into the topic for today. Uploading your videos on your channel needs a specific technique, and a lot of startup content creators do not know. They just record, upload without implementing this strategy. But after watching this video today, come back to this channel and tell me how this strategy has helped your channel in your engagement, in your views, and in your subscribers. Now, you can implement this strategy using your laptop, your desktop, or your tablet. Now, some people implement this strategy using their smartphones, but I will tell you for the fact that strategy using the smartphone will not be as effective as using a desktop, a laptop, or a tablet. But if you do not have any of this, implement this using your smartphone. Now, I will show you this strategy using my laptop because it is more effective using this. But try with what you have, and when you get a laptop or access to a laptop or any other device, you can perfect it. All right, so come with me, let me show you channel how. So before you upload any video on your channel, just go to the gallery of your device, just like so. Remember, I'm using my laptop for better illustration. Now go to the video you want to upload. Let's say, for example, you want to upload this video right here. What you have to do right here is to double click or right click on the video, and you scroll down to where you see property, just like so. Now scroll up here where you see screen recording 2025. You have to change this because this is actually the title of the video you're about to upload. Now, a lot of people make the mistake to upload the video like this, but the problem with this video is it's going to confuse the algorithm, because the algorithm will not know exactly the kind of audience you're looking for. Now, just delete what you have there, just like so, and then you put in the title of the video you want to upload. Let's say, for example, you want to upload a video with how to make money online. Now, you're going to type in right here, how to make money online. Sorry for that mistake. how to make money online. And when you're done typing, you come down below here where you see OK and you click on OK. All right. Right here, I click on yes to. And this is the video we have right here. How to make money online. Now let's still right click on it and go back to properties. Now look at it right here, how to make money online. It's indicating two right here because I have another title that has how to make money online. So this one is good. We are good with this. And the next thing you have to do is also to change the title of your thumbnail. Remember, you're uploading both the video and the thumbnail. So when you've changed the name of the video, the title of the video, you search for your thumbnail and you also change the name. Now let's search for a thumbnail. Let's go right here. So let's see if it is the thumbnail. Let's double click on it just like so. And great, this is the thumbnail I want to use for this illustration. So what you do is to right click. When you right click on it, you scroll below to where you see properties. Remember, the name you put or the title you put on the video is the same title you have to put on your thumbnail. And what we put on that video was how to make money online, right? So we have it right here. And when you're done, you click right here on OK. Yes. Now this is because I have other videos or other thumbnails that carry the same title, how to make money online. So this one is actually indicated as number 2 of how to make money online. Here's what we have, and the title is right here. Now, you've done this on both the thumbnail and the title. The next place you have to put this same title is when you're uploading the video. Let's go to your YouTube studio. So right here, what you have to do is to click right here on create, click on upload, all right? And right here, click on select file. Remember the file, it's the file that talks about how to make money online. So you just select the file that you want to upload, and remember the file should be the one you've already changed the title of the file, all right? Don't make a mistake and you take another file. All right, so we have the file right here and it's uploading, okay? Now, as I've scrolled below, you will see right here, file name, how to make money online 2, because we have other videos that have the same title. That's why they have to label it 1 and 2. All right, but if it was only one title, they will not have 2 right there. Now the third place you have to implement this same strategy is right here where you see title. You delete what you have there and you put in how to make money online, just like so. So we have here 1, how to make money online, and on the video we also have how to make money online. The next place you have to implement this is to upload your thumbnail right here. Remember the thumbnail we had, how to make money online, okay? This is it right here. You just upload it and it's going to upload right here. Now, when you do this on your title right here, on the video and on your thumbnail, as you are uploading this video, it's going to make the algorithm know exactly what audience to refer your video to. This is very important. Now, some of us just get our videos uploaded with certain titles on it that will confuse the algorithm. When the algorithm sees such videos, it's not going to know who or what audience to refer your videos to. But when you are specific, the algorithm will know exactly the audience to push your videos to. This will actually help in the amount of views and the engagements you get on your video. Now, let me show you how your videos are going to show right here when you upload without changing the title of your thumbnail and your videos. Now, let's just delete this right here. Okay, remember this was just for illustration. Let me show you again. So below here, you're just going to have video link. This is the link that you can copy and share to people. And right here, this is the file name, which is how to make money online. Please take note of this file name right here, because I'm going to upload another video and you will see how the file name will appear. All right, so let's come back here and click right here on delete. All right, let's go back to create right here, upload video right here, and you select the file. All right, so we have our file uploading right here, and let's scroll below and go right here. Here we have the video link, and look at the file name, screen recording 2025. What is the meaning of this? What is the algorithm of YouTube going to do with this kind of file name? I mean, with a file name like this, it will totally confuse the algorithm. The algorithm will not know exactly what audience you are looking for or what is in this video. But when you give a title to your videos, it actually makes the algorithm to know exactly the kind of audience that want to consume your videos. Now, let's put in the thumbnail and you see something. The thumbnail is not going to help at all because we don't have a title to the thumbnail too. Right, let me upload the title, or sorry, the thumbnail. When you scroll below, nothing will change right here. We're still going to have the same file name we had there that is just going to confuse the algorithm. Now, even if you change the title right here, let's say, for example, our title of this video is supposed to be how to make money online. Yes, we'll have the title right here, but below here, where we have the file name, nothing will change. I mean, you just have to make sure that everything you do on your video should align with each other. The thumbnail, the title of the video, and also the title you put right here on the video. When you have these three alike, the algorithm will know exactly the kind of audience you want. So if you've been uploading your videos without doing this, without implementing this strategy, change it right now. Implement this strategy and let me know on the comment section how your channel has changed and the amount of engagement you're getting. Because I bet you a lot of my students have testified to getting a drastic change on the number of views they get on their channels after implementing this strategy. It worked for me. I implemented it. It worked for me. And my students have done it. It has also worked for them. So try it out and let me know on the comment section how this turns out for your channel. Remember, go to the comment section and comment with every content creator you see right there, and also go to all our channels and connect with them. Join this community. We're always doing a collaborative live stream every 5 p.m. for the next 2 weeks so that we can get to our monetization as fast as possible. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and make sure you come back to the other videos on this channel to watch and engage with other content creators. We are all waiting for you to support you to grow as well as you would support us to grow. Until next time, keep searching and keep implementing strategies that will help your channel grow.